Welcome to the fascinating world of UltraFlex Power Technologies. Today we unveil the thrilling tale of how we revolutionize the aluminum extrusion annealing process for our new customer in the manufacturing industry. They entrusted us with aluminum extrusion samples for testing an annealing application prior to bending. Our customer sought to replace the outdated manual open flame torch heating with a fully automated system. The Solo 16 model, paired with a U-braze system and 6 feet flex leads, became our weapon of choice to achieve better quality, repeatability, and production efficiency. The challenge was set: heat the aluminum extrusion evenly up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit within a mere 10 to 20 seconds. Our team sprang into action, sizing the equipment and exploring coil design options. 3 tests, 3 coil designs: split coil, open-ended coil, and helical coil. We varied set points, power, and frequency, pushing the limits of our technology. The results? The Solo 16 model proved its mettle, efficiently heating the aluminum extrusion within the specified time limit. The helical coil emerged victorious, making heating more efficient and slightly faster. Our customer's process was fully automated, and the flex leads ensured seamless integration. The future of aluminum extrusion annealing had arrived. For more details, use the reference number AR 3463, 8341. Stay tuned and don't miss our next case studies, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.